flavors. At home today, we are going to make rainy season special mirchi bhaji, also known as chilli bhaji. I hope you would love the taste of it. For recipe in Telugu, please follow the link mentioned in description. Mirapakaya means green chilli in Telugu and bhaji is nothing but a fritter made with gram flour. Mirapakaya bhaji or mirchi bhaji, also known as chilli bhaji, is a popular street food snack in many parts of southern India. It is ideally served as an evening snack with a cup of tea or coffee. Mirchi bhaji is a spicy and savory snack recipe made with green chillies. The mirchi or chilli is stuffed with a tangy spicy mix and then dipped in gram flour batter and fried. Later, the fried chillies are again stuffed with a spiced tangy onion stuffing. This variety of mirchi bhaji is popularly known as Andhra Special Cut Mirchi Bhaji. The combination of crunchy spiced onions with the crispiness of the fried green chilli bhaji is truly mouth-watering and yummy. Let's see the ingredients. Long green chillies 8, groundnuts half cup roasted and peeled, carom seeds 1 teaspoon, salt 3½ teaspoons, red chilli powder 3½ teaspoons, tamarind pulp of medium lemon size tamarind, gram flour 2 cups, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, oil for deep frying, onions half cup finely chopped, chop onions just before using, tomatoes half cup finely chopped, chop tomatoes just before using, green chillies half teaspoon finely chopped, coriander leaves 1 teaspoon finely chopped, ginger 1/4 teaspoon finely grated, lemon 1 small size. In a mixie, take roasted groundnuts, carom seeds, 1 teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoons red chilli powder. Grind them into fine powder. To this powder, add tamarind pulp little at a time while mixing to make a thick paste. Consistency of the paste should be thick like this so that we can stuff this paste in chillies. With a knife, make a slit lengthwise on chilli and make sure not to slit till edges. With the back of a spoon, remove seeds from chilli. We remove seeds to reduce spice levels in chillies. Like this, slit all chillies and remove seeds. Take little stuffing paste and stuff it inside the chilli through the slit. Press the slit slightly so that stuffing will not come out. Like this, stuff all chillies. Take gram flour in a wide bowl so that we can dip the whole chilli in it. Add 2 teaspoons salt and 1 teaspoon chilli powder. Mix well. Add little water at a time and keep mixing to make a thick batter without lumps. Consistency of the batter should be thick like this. Take oil in a pan on stove at high flame for deep frying. To the gram flour batter, add baking soda. Add baking soda just before frying. Mix well. Beat the batter with hand in such a way that batter will have airiness. Check the consistency. If required, add little water and mix well. Batter consistency should be like this. Once oil is hot, reduce the flame to medium. Put the chilli in batter and coat it fully with batter on all sides. Carefully drop it in hot oil. Coat another chilli also with batter and drop it in hot oil carefully. You can put chillis depending on space in the pan. Turn them with a perforated ladle and let them fry. Once they are slightly fried, take them from oil on a paper napkin in a plate. I am removing them from oil when they are slightly fried because I fry them again with double coating of batter. If you don't want double coating, then you can fry them for some more time and remove from oil. For double coating, place the fried bhaji in batter and coat it well with batter. You can skip this if you don't want to double coat bhajis. Drop it in hot oil carefully. Coat the second bhaji also like this and drop it in hot oil carefully. Turn them with a perforated ladle and let them fry. Once they are fried golden brown and crispy, take them from oil on a paper napkin in a plate. Like this, fry other chillis also in batches. Finely chop onions and tomatoes. In a bowl, take finely chopped onions, tomatoes, ginger, green chillies, coriander leaves, half teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon chilli powder. Squeeze a lemon. Mix well. This is the stuffing for mirchi bhaji. Make a slit lengthwise on mirchi bhaji with a knife and make sure not to slit till edges. Take onion tomato mixture and stuff it inside mirchi bhaji through the slit. Like this, stuff remaining mirchi bhajis. That's it. Crispy, spicy and mouth-watering mirchi bhaji or chilli bhaji is ready to eat. You can eat them as it is or you can relish them with tomato sauce.
So, we have seen how easy it is to make mirchi bhaji or chilli bhaji at home. You try it once and let me know how it is in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, press like, share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for visiting the Savory Flavors. Okay, bye for now. See you soon with another interesting dish.